What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're back at it. Hope everyone is safe and healthy. You know, what a time to be alive. We're living right now in a crazy time. You know, your boy needs a haircut. Barbershops are not open. I might just have to go bald or something. This shit is getting annoying. Got a couple boxes to unbox. Two actually came in. One of them I managed to hit on a Nike sneakers app. This is what this video is about. And another one I grabbed and they came in today. So we're gonna open that one real quick. Not gonna take too long. But the first shoes that we're gonna open. It didn't come with OG box. This is a replacement box. We're just gonna take a quick look at these bad boys. Off-white Vapor Maxes, and yeah, these are brand new dead stock. Shout out to Soul Steals and Soul Supremacy. Got these for a really good price. No box, and the reason there's no box is because these are actually these are samples. As you guys can see, this is the insole that it comes in, and this is the tag. These are samples. If I can focus. Boom, right there. These are my size, that's why I grabbed them. I actually had these. I had OG all and everything, but I ended up selling them, and I kind of regretted it. And you know, they had them up. I thought I'd grab them with Soul Steals, and yeah, I got them back, and they're samples. So yeah, we got these bad boys back in the collection. Definitely not going to be selling these bad boys. But the reason why I'm making this video is not because of those. We have another box right here. Boom, straight from Nike. Nike still on their BS, putting the Just Do It tape on it so people can take my package. Open these bad boys up real quick, and I actually almost cut myself. I actually managed to grab these off the Nike sneakers app. I took that dub. These actually took a while to get here. Cause you know, with this whole Rona thing, you know, my packages are getting delayed, and yeah, you know, it is what it is. But they finally came in, and I'm actually excited to see these in hand. And bro, this box is beautiful. So boom, here we have it. White Nike. It's kind of like a white creamish Nike box. Nike in red, Nike swoosh. Nike on this side, and boom, there you go. You see it right there. Okay, let's open these bad boys up and take a look real quick. Here we have it. Boom, the Nike thing is called Spiridon Cage 2 Stussy collab. I think that's the name of these shoes. I'm not really sure. It's a long ass name, but yeah, managed to grab these bad boys on the Nike sneakers app. Retail boys, you already know. There was two colorways. This colorway right here, and there was a black with metallic silver on it. I was digging that other colorway, but this colorway is also dope. It's kind of like this tannish canvas colorway. The name of this colorway is Fossil, Black Fossil. Pretty much the whole shoe is this kind of like creamish fossil colorway. Obviously you have this black swoosh, which is kind of like embroidered in there. And then you have like different types of materials. You have like, first of all, you have another Nike swoosh right there, and on toe box it says Stussy with some dots right there. You have this kind of like netting type material, the Nike swoosh, kind of soft canvas going around the shoe. But then you also have this other type of canvas right here, which is kind of softer, and then right here, same canvas material. It's nice and soft. And on the back you have that canvas as well, and it says Stussy right on the back. You have this pull tab as well. Kind of have these like rope type laces, and on the tongue it actually says Stussy, and it has, if you you guys can see that. Stussy right there on the tongue, and it also has that waffle type netting on the tongue. And then your midsole, you have a little bit of black right there, and then you have this cage looking thing which is black. This is my first time ever seeing this model in hand, if I'm being honest. So like, you have, I don't know what the hell this is. I guess it's air inside. It's squishy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm like poking it in. That shit is squishy. And then you have Zoom Air right here on the back. It says it right there. Then on the bottom of the shoe, you have a Nike swoosh. You have this cage type thing. I don't know what that is. Probably they're just for looks. You have this black plastic thing right there. And in your bottom, you have Stussy right there. Boom. And then your insole, it just says Zoom Air right there. You guys can see that. Boom. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It doesn't come with extra laces or anything. But yeah, other than that, that is pretty much it. It's a very simple colorway. This fossil cream type colorway with that Nike swoosh in black, which just gives it that pop. And then obviously this cage on the back. It just gives it that pop as well. And yeah, Nike, Stussy, they did their thing. It's a dope colorway. This colorway you can pretty much wear with anything. It's just a nice neutral color. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The Stussy Air Spiridon, whatever, however you say it. 160 was retail. You can grab these on the resale market. I believe they're going for like 200 or something like that. Haven't checked. But yeah, Stussy killed it. Even from the box, we see something different. It's kind of like this white creamish color with that Nike. And then you have Stussy, which is dope. And yeah, man, these are fire. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Did you guys manage to grab a pair? Are you guys looking to grab a pair? And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Just a little quick unboxing, quick little pickup. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future. Bro, I can't get over my hair. I need a haircut ASAP. But yeah, follow me on Twitch. I'm gonna be streaming on Twitch. Obviously, with this whole lockdown stuff, I've been playing a lot of Call of Duty. So if you guys want to check me out live, twitch.tv/JMexMartinez. Go follow your boy. And yeah, all my social media links will be down below if you guys want to follow me on that as well. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, peace.